Today I'm going to show you the Eufy Security Solar Wall Light Cam S120. Now let's check what's in the box. Okay, so here's the S120 camera, but we're gonna talk about the camera at the last part. I wanna talk about what else is inside the box first. Right here is the quick start guide that contains the app information, support, safety, and warranty information. And right here is the mounting kit. What's inside is a set of anchors and screws, and this one is an angled USB-C extension. And you will need this rubber to keep the water from coming in between the USB-C extension and the USB-C cable. And this one is the first mounting base. If you want to aim the camera or the light to look further down, this is the mounting base that you want to use. And this is the second mounting base. This will mount the camera flat to the wall surface. Now let's check out this camera. The exterior of this camera is completely made of plastic. But this plastic material is rated IP65 weather resistant, so it's dust proof and water resistant. And right here is the USB port where you can manually charge this camera. And right below is the sync button. You will need this button during the setup process. And right on the side is the speaker that you can use for two-way audio or if you want to activate the siren. Right at the front is the 2K camera, the motion sensor, and the 300 lumens LED light. And right on the top is the solar panel that charges the built-in 5200 milliamp hour battery. Now, connecting this camera to your phone is a very simple process. First thing you need to do is make sure you download the Eufy app. Open the Eufy app and tap the plus sign located at the top right corner, then choose Add Device. Then choose Wall Light Camera from the list, then choose the Wall Light Camera S120. Then choose or Add Home, then tap Next. Then choose whichever is applicable. Since I don't have a home base, I'll be choosing Connect to Router. And for this, you can either scan the QR code from the manual or from the back of the device. Then enter the Wi-Fi information that you want the camera to connect to.
Press the sync button until you hear the beep.
Once you hear the beep, tap on Next. And to connect the camera to the Wi-Fi, the app will generate a QR code that needs to be scanned by the camera S120.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network. Please wait.
You will also get this prompt if there's an update available during the setup process. Then tap Finish to complete the setup. Then it will bring you to the Power Manager page where you need to choose a working mode. And this will affect the power usage of this camera. And tap on Next to get a reminder to fully charge the camera before mounting it to the wall. Then tap on Next for the recommendations and step-by-step guide on how to mount this camera. And to test the efficiency of the internet connection, you need to bring your phone and the camera to the location where you're planning to mount this camera. Then tap on Next for the rest of the mounting recommendations and instructions. I'm very impressed with the build quality and performance of the Eufy Security Solar Wall Light S120. I find the step-by-step guide very user-friendly for non-tech-savvy people. Even the provided recommendations are quite efficient, in my opinion, for you not to optimize the use of this security camera. I can say that this is one of the best subscription-free security device that can effectively protect your home. And here's a quick list of the specifications of the Eufy Solar Wall Light Camera S120. So guys, this is the Eufy Security Solar Wall Light Cam S120. Get yours today, and thanks for watching.